Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. So guys, if you are also facing the Steam purchase problem or getting errors like no internet connection while downloading, then I've brought a simple fix for you today. You don't have to do anything complicated. First, open PowerShell and run it as administrator. Click on Yes when it asks for permission. After that, copy the command I've provided and paste it into PowerShell. Then just press Enter. Once you do this, Steam will automatically restart or may even shut down for a moment. You will then see a message like all patches applied. Start Steam to use. You can simply close it. Now, restart Steam again. The issue like purchase error, download error, or no internet problem should be fixed after this. As you can see, Steam starts normally now. When I go to the library, it shows validating and the install option appears again. The purchase option is also gone and the game starts updating properly. So guys, the command is given in the description and pinned comment. Just copy it and paste it, and your problem will be solved. See you in the next video.